Good morning, trading world. It is February 20th, 2024, and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for day trading the markets. All right, let's talk about why it is time to hurry up and wait. At this moment, I have a sell signal. We have our first sell signal on the daily ES chart. And as you can see right here on the MACD, we do have a crossover. That's our first sell signal. However, just because the sell signal is there, it doesn't mean short and go all in at this very moment. By some degree, we are already overextended on the 4-hour chart, and let me show you what I mean. All right, here we are on the 4-hour chart, and if you look here on the RSI, we're below 50 on the RSI, and once we get down into this area right here, anywhere in here, we're considered somewhat overextended. It doesn't mean that we can't go lower. It just means there's not a lot of energy to pack in a big move, going so much lower. So pretty much what I'm saying is that I don't think there will be any or a lot of follow through much lower than the low that we've already been to at 49.36.5. Even though we're a long way away from there now, we could drop back down to that 49.36, but I don't think we're breaking that range and falling much lower than that. So instead, I'm looking for a grind up from here to find a better place to short from. If you follow the short signal from here, first you need an expiration past or deep into March, or at least March 4th. Then you would waste a lot of option premium as you watch price action grind back up before following through lower. Instead of getting short a full position now and watching premium shrivel up in your face, if you're scared you're going to miss the move, what you can do is buy an out of the money put, or even better, a put spread with extra time. Now, on the other hand, just because I'm not taking a full position short here doesn't mean you won't see some scary spikes down, because you will. But good luck trying to time an exit. In fact, it may be easier trying to scalp to the upside, at least today, when we get those spikes. Excuse me. Now, as far as the pre-market, I'm still not back to the point of giving the scenarios like I normally would, but I will go through and address some support and resistance levels today. Let me get us to that point. All right, and here we are back with the excuse me, the support and resistance levels of the day. Starting on the resistance side, we have our Jack resistance at the 50.22 area, Queen resistance at the 50.30 area, and King resistance at the 50.41 area. On the support side, in which we will probably be spending most of our time today, we have our jack support at 5,001, queen support at 49.94, and king support at 49.84. The way I kind of see things playing out today, there's going to be a division for the day where we're going to spend most of our time consolidating here below that line before actually trying to break up and possibly through this area. But that's how I see things today. Excuse me. More consolidation and probably some spikes when we get going and grinding up, but then you may have a bunch of candles that have worked their way up, and then one sharp candle that kind of knocks all of that progress out, and then starting over, trying to go back up. I see that happening a couple times today. So I hope this helps. As always, your most important job as a trader is to protect the capital you already have. You do this by knowing and understanding the risk you have on in each position and the risk in current market conditions. We manage that risk in accordance with our account size. I hope this helps. Wishing you a positive trading day. Let's make it a great one.